Hey, it's been a while since I've made a video out here on the property. I have been out here this summer. I've been cleaning the dirt for the last month and a half because if I don't pull the salmonberry roots out, they're just going to keep on growing. So after I rented that tool and cleared it, I've now been in the dirt trying to get rid of it so they won't come back, or at least won't come back as fast. But since I'm working my way that way, I'm going to fall some trees today. I didn't check before I left today, but I'm either at 37 or 36 because I knew I'm just below the halfway mark. So I'm not sure, but once I get home, I'll know. But I only plan on falling 2 today, but we'll see how it goes. Let's go have some fun. I gotta clean this one up and then on to the next one. So far so good, and if you can't hear, I'm using my original Husqvarna. I've missed it, haven't used it in a while, and I fired it up and it's working great. I was wanting to cut that tree right there, but it's a pretty long one, which is a lot of cleanup. And this one's also long, but I don't think it'll be as much. But like most of the trees, it has a little curve in it. I want it to fall that way, but I'm thinking it might go that way. So I'm using my battery powered one so I could hear everything that this tree does. So let's get number 2 done for the day. So lean back. You'll be able to hear everything. Oh, I guess I gotta run out of the way. It goes in the way. It might be a little late, but I might fall that way. And I hear cracking. Well, it's a heavy sucker too. I might just cut here and hope it falls that way. If I have too many cuts, I might be doing myself dirty. See where my safe path is. Pull that way. It's making so many noises. If you're a frequent watcher of my videos, you know this is a normal occurrence for me. Fudge! That's what I was expecting it to do. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get a come along. It had the barber chair going, and I pushed it and rocked, and it just rolled right off. So I got to clean up what I can, and then maybe I'll fall that guy. I mean, he has to come down sooner or later, and at least he's leaning in the direction I'd like it to go. But let me clean this one up and see where I'm at. Number 3. farm. I got a lot of work to do, gotta clean this up, but it fell perfectly. But I want to end on a good note. I don't want to end on another possible widowmaker being stuck up for who knows how long until my dad shoots it down. So let me clean this up and we'll see what it looks like. But I'm pretty happy. That's 3 today. I'm done for the day. I got the tree cleaned up. I do have it down here in sections. So I was complaining to a friend saying I wish I could do more with older trees besides just firewood. And he's like, no, let it dry out and you can use it. So I want to make like a gazebo or something with them just because I have them everywhere. But let's check it out. Yeah, see, I cut it into big sections. I gotta let it dry out. I want to put, my mom's just retired and she's a workaholic and my dad is not. And I don't want her to euthanize him. Just kidding. So she needs something to do. So I want to turn this patch of dirt into flowers so she has something to do and so that he won't get on her nerves. So I want to plant like dahlias, peonies, whatever she chooses to keep her busy. And then I want to make something with those, but I gotta let them dry, which is nice, something besides just firewood. But there's 3 down, and if the sun's not shining right in the camera, you can see there's more that need to come down. So it was pretty successful. It's been pretty hot. People think Washington is just always cold and rainy, but our summers have been hot. We've been in the 80s. It's been miserable, but still got stuff to do. And I hope to have a video within the next week besides this one. I don't want to keep waiting so long. But again, I've just been cleaning the dirt and there's nothing exciting about that. Just trying to get all the roots out, which are not fun. But thanks again, guys. I didn't get hurt. I got the trees down, so today was successful. Thanks again. I appreciate all of you.